Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to combine two video in one screen. So kinemaster पे जाइए, उसके बाद go to select media. I choose the background from the kinemaster app only. I choose the yellow background. Now I'm going to stretch it to make it more long. Go to layer and go to media and choose your own video which you want to add and edit. Now I got my video और यहाँ पे you can crop your video according to the size you want. You can crop it small, you can stretch it, you can do whatever you want. Click into the video and then you can see the setting here. You can reduce the volume and you can trim it. Play if you want to add more video, you can also do that. I'm adding one more video here just to show you guys an example, and I can crop and resize the video according to what I want. So let's play it again. See, you can see like this. You can mute the video and you can add another additional song for your video. I'm reducing the volume here. You can reverse, you can give color filter according to what you want. Also you can add overlay effect, anything you want. It's very easy guys. You can change the brightness and the contrast of the video. You can add music. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Also leave a comment. How do you find this video? Thank you so much.